He's just like, wah, 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 wah. I have been sick for the past 10 days. And I say sick because I only have 2 symptoms. I have been coughing, like crazy coughing. I'm pretty sure they sampled my cough to make the dinosaur screams in Jurassic Park. Like that is the level of ferociousness of this cough. The second symptom is just being tired. Other than that, like my throat doesn't hurt, no fever, no chills, nothing else, just tired and coughing. I'm so behind on absolutely everything, and it's really frustrating because last video was complaining about there being like special events like bookending each month, right, from now until January. And in the middle of that, there's like always just something else. Like if it's not an injury, it's a sickness. Like what is going on with me? What is going on? Most frustrating thing. So I'm going to try to film today, like just like a chill vlog, something, you know, to get back into it. Otherwise, I'm just going to be sitting in my bed watching Paddington 2, which is what I've been doing. Paddington 2 is a great movie. But anyway, because I've been sitting watching a plethora of movies lately, I have been letting everything that's been on my to-do list just go by the wayside. And I'm not going to get to a lot of it today because granted, a lot of the things on it are things that would probably exacerbate my cough and make it worse and just make it linger. Because things like going outside and burning weeds would probably not be good to like be inhaling. But there's just like a lot of outdoor activities on my list. So we can't yet do those, but we can do some stuff. So if you want to come along with me on this chill vlog while I sickly do things that I need to, come along for the journey. It's so frustrating, and will it ever end? I don't know. I almost feel like there's like this universal coup against me that's just preventing me from really getting going. You know what I mean? But maybe it's like a timing thing and it's just not the right time. However, this is the most ready that I've gotten in probably a week, and it's taken quite a bit to get here. It's already noon. I started early in the morning, but I just do not have the gusto to go. Let's get some blush going, make us look alive and not as pale and pasty. And we are going to try to take a Christmas picture, which means corralling the animals and Steven and putting on a Christmas sweater. This is the most Christmassy sweater that I've got right now, and taking a picture. My grandma requested it for some kind of project she's working on. I don't know what that project is, but I was wanting to take a Christmas picture of all of us anyway. I, despite my job being social media, am actually really bad about taking pictures. I've just never been good at that kind of stuff. So I've been trying to be a little bit more of someone who does that. I'm thinking that the best spot for a family picture is going to be in front of the fireplace. Mostly because I'm looking at every other surface in the house right now, and it is looking a mess. So I'm like, we could sit on the couch and do it, but then I'd have to clean all of that behind the couch. No dice. What I'm thinking, me, Steven, sitting on the fireplace thing. Each of us holding a dog, one of us holding Charles, aka Chetty, whose name changes like every 5 seconds. But we do have to clean this up a little bit. Like it's just cluttered with a chicken, a hydro jug, and some weights. And then we'll be good to go. Boom. Perfect surface. I forgot that I bought dog pajamas. So if they wear them, I'm going to ex-nay the sweater and we're going to do Christmas pajamas. But if they don't, the dogs will just be normal and we'll wear sweaters. Come here, Dougie. Would you like to wear a little sweater? Come here, Dougie. Sorry. Mavis! Oh, I'm not filming myself doing any of this. We go through here. Good boy. You look beautiful. Dougie likes wearing clothes.
Yeah.
I think it's because his hair is short. You want a maxi brother? What? Hold on 1 second. Oh, Dougie. We're already in position. We need Charles and Mavis.
Well, there you go.
Good
One
job.
solved itself.
Good job, Chetty.
It's like animals know.
Okay, hold on, you guys. Sit. I'm really spreading all of my legs. Oh, God.
Come here. Come here. Sit. I don't think she knows how to act in these pajamas.
I feel hot. Do you feel
Oh,
hot?
now you want to sit?
Good stuff. We are quickly approaching the holiday season at light speed. It feels like it was just June yesterday. Now, for a lot of people, they're all about the holidays, all about that joy, all about that merriment. However, some people find the holidays to be like the most difficult period of time of the year to get through. I definitely subscribe to the latter. However, this year I have been uncharacteristically merry. I'm hoping that it lasts like throughout the holidays because this is not the norm for me. I usually struggle. But that being said, I definitely know that some extra support may be needed throughout the holiday season. And that is why I'm happy that the sponsor of this video is BetterHelp. BetterHelp connects you to a licensed therapist who is trained to listen and give you helpful, unbiased advice. Believe me, starting therapy can be really uncomfortable. The right therapist may not be in your area. You might find the face-to-face talking about feelings thing super uncomfortable. But with BetterHelp, they can match you with one of their over 30,000 therapists in their network, which gives you a lot of variety to find the right one for you. And you can have your therapy sessions as a phone call, video chat, or even via messaging if that's the most comfortable version of therapy for you. To get started, you'll just fill out a quick questionnaire to help assess your needs, and then BetterHelp will match you with your own therapist. In most cases, this takes about 48 hours or less. Finding the right therapist is really important, and if for whatever reason you don't click with the therapist you're matched with initially, you can easily switch to a new one at no additional cost, not having to worry about insurance or who's in your network or anything like that. So if you want to join the over 4 million people who have started living a happier, healthier life with BetterHelp and want to try out therapy for yourself, you could click the link in my description or go to betterhelp.com/Beatrice. That's betterhelp.com/Beatrice. Clicking that link not only helps support this channel, but it also gives you 10% off your first month of therapy. Huge thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. Okay, we had some tea with honey. That actually helped the whole situation a lot more than I thought it would. I sound a little bit better, but we do have to mess that up and go outside. Because I need to find a saw for the next thing that I need to do. Welcome to Mavis chewing up everything in the backyard. But other than like chewing up like all my planters and stuff, she really doesn't chew up that much. Good job, Mavis. That light helps like 0%. I'm looking for a saw that I had that I don't remember the last time I saw it. No pun intended. You know what? I do remember the last time I saw it. My grandmama's porch. She needed me to saw down some kind of invasive tree. But did I ever take it out of my car? Haha, we have a clue. Good job, memory. No luck in the car, so back to the garage. But I honestly really don't think it's in here either. But you know what is in here? Black widows. I saw 3 so far this year. 2 of them in here, 1 of them on the back porch. I guess it's a bad year for black widows in Colorado because of something about the humidity. I don't know. But I don't want to fuck around and find out, you know what I mean? I don't really want to do a whole lot of digging. Plus it's really dusty in here. No dice. Well, guess we just are gonna hack at it with a kitchen knife. I haven't even told you what we're doing. Okay, so the plan was to figure out a solution for my guinea pig water bottle problem. If you didn't know, because I don't know why I would have mentioned it to you, other than the fact I just talk a lot randomly. That fat butterscotch guinea pig is a menace to society. It sits there all day, just like drinks on the water bottle, but like, I think just for fun, he's just like, but like not like drinking the water. He's just like letting it go everywhere. So my solution to this was to catch the water that he's just throwing everywhere in a basin, if you will. Actually, I did mention this to you guys a while ago because someone mentioned like, oh, maybe he's just a guinea pig that likes drinking out of a bowl. Put a bowl in there, nothing drank out of it. I think he just likes playing with the water. So anyways, there has been a couple iterations of this problem where I put a bowl in there. The bowl kept getting knocked over by the guinea pig because they're little rascals. Then I put a sponge in the bowl under the water bottles, so like it would absorb most of the water. It didn't absorb enough, so same problem. Then I found this, like, it was originally like a makeup organizer, and I put it there and then I clipped it to the cage with like a paper clip. That's the current system. It as well has been failing me still. The little container I found isn't enough to withhold the entirety of the water bottles, so it overfills and then again wets the bedding, making it not a suitable environment for the guinea pigs. My guinea pigs are gonna get trench foot because of that fat butterscotch pig. Anyway, so here is my solution. I scoured everywhere trying to find a funnel, right, that would work reasonably well. This was like the best thing that I could find. And then I got this vinyl tubing. This costed $30 for this vinyl tubing. I don't even know if it will work. It doesn't even fit in the thing, but I'm hoping if I like warm it up, then I can squeeze it over this mofo. And then put this to go in a bucket, so all of the water bottle stuff that comes out goes into the bucket instead of in the guinea pig bedding. And then so I could just multiple times a day refill the water bottles and not have to worry about dumping the thing in time for it to not ruin the bedding. So there's still a problem of him depleting the water bottles really quickly, but what can you do? Oh, my Instacart order's here. But anyway, the problem and why I need a saw is this is too big. So I was thinking about like sawing it down, and also this needs to be sawed down too. I don't know if that's gonna happen or not now because I don't know where that saw is, and I don't know if it's necessarily safe enough to just take a kitchen knife to it. I feel like the internet is gonna scream at me if I do. I feel like I can do it and it'd be fine.
Moving on with your dangerous lifestyle.
What's that?
A heat gun.
What the hell? You have a heat gun?
I have everything.
Why?
You're gonna hurt yourself with that. Here, this even heats it evenly. But we gotta go where the plug is.
Okay.
Lower grit paper, sandpaper. Oh, came right off. Damn it.
Good afternoon. Yesterday I just kind of petered myself out of talking and then stopped vlogging because the talking part is kind of part of the whole vlogging thing. We're back at it again today, kind of feeling worse, not gonna lie. I'm like sweaty for no reason, and I just did very minimal work. I cleaned the guinea pig cage and then set up the whole water system. Which it appears to be working pretty well so far. Granted, it's only been about 5 minutes, so we'll see about that. But speaking of pigsties, this office is definitely one. I don't know what's up with me, why I can't just keep organized, and the fact that there's just so much crammed in the space as far as like, I work in here, I do my makeup in here, the guinea pigs are in here, all their stuff's in here, everything that I do craft-wise, art-wise, crammed in here. And when it comes to crafts and art, I save trash because I'm like, I'm gonna use that for something, and a lot of times I do. And it's been great having like just a stockpile of trash to sift through when you need it for your crafts. But it's not great aesthetically. So I think we're going to put in some time and organize this because that's a good indoor activity that will help me, that won't expend too much energy, I'm hoping. Okay, that's done. It took way longer than I wanted it to because I don't feel great. I think I probably have to go to the doctor. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I'm sorry that my voice sounds like this right now. I'm currently losing it in more ways than one. Don't be surprised if I don't post next week. Because I am struggling and all I want to do is sleep. And I don't think you want to watch me struggle through another video. But anyways, as always, I just want to thank you so much for watching. Charles does too. Charles! And I will see you on the next one. Bye!
Okay, Daddy.
Yes.
Doug, it's over. It's over, Doug. Come on, Doug, it's over.
Yeah, look at his leg.